Introducing the Sunlit Flowers card making kit. This kit features a 4x6 stamp set that includes layered flowers and outline designs, as well as 2 small sentiments. The flowers can be layered up using crisp inks or coloured using markers. Also included in the kit is a permanent black crisp ink die cube, which is marker friendly. 3 artist markers are also included in the kit in frayed leaf, mango smoothing and cotton candy, which are perfect for colouring the images in the stamp set, as well as many more. The artist markers have 2 ends, a brush nib and a bullet. There are also 2 dies featuring a solid and detailed butterfly design that can be layered or used separately. Also included is an inspiration guide with 7 card ideas, 12 card blanks and 12 coloured envelopes. To find more information about this kit, please visit us at altenew.com.